What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as digiversecrypto.com. So if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, because it's a perfect idea, because lots of projects are launching in 2024 and you will be updated with upcoming projects also. So let's discuss about that. And before start explaining this project, let me tell you first that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this project, take your time, and if you think it can generate the best return in the future, so you can join that, because it's your responsibility to verify each and everything. And if you think it's perfect for you, so you can jump in. As far as my responsibility is concerned, so I can study the project, and after that I can introduce in front of my community. And I always try my best to promote kind of project from where my community can generate best return, where even a less amount of risk involved. So it's the best option and best way to proper verify the project, and after that introduce in front of the community. So here's the detail given, guys. You can see the pre-sale and how you can buy that. So each and everything is mentioned, and please don't miss any part of this project, because in next 10 minutes I will guide you how you can buy that. So it will take few minutes, guys. Here you can see the tokenize your company without writing any single line of the code in Digi Verse. So you need not do anything, because each and everything is given and everything is mentioned. So I will clear each and everything. So here's the detail given. If you scroll down a bit, you will see the Digi Verse project. It's very investment of revolution and dedicated to building a bridge between the real world and the metaverse. So they are trying to create a bridge between the world and the metaverse. So it's effort. Let's see. So here's the details given and demo available. If you click on that, you will get more information regarding this project. So it's just for your guideline, and you can get more information and proper. Anything, because everything is mentioned here. So we can see more information. The white paper is given. It's a backbone of any project, so you have to study the white paper because it's very important. So here's the detail given. Welcome to the Digi Verse, world first one of the kind digital metaverse designed with the simulate and sense beyond anything else. But that's not all. We're gonna step ahead to protect our novelty, and Digi Verse is a parent entity to mark that symbolize our commitment and innovation, and next to see all the financial freedom. So here's the detail given. Next, you can see the world first and only glass-free physical metaverse. You can see the environment. So this is the information that I'm providing you. It's very important to follow these instructions before starting jump in or buying this dollar Digi. So next you can see more information on the metaverse, how new name now Digi Verse. So metaverse has its new and unique name with dollar Digi. So next आप नीचे चले जाते हैं, आपको मज़ीद information यहाँ पे मिलेगी. यहाँ पे Digi Travel all exclusive applications. So यहाँ पे उसकी detail भी आपको available है. Have you seen the mission moon? So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, we have already gone to the moon every day with the award-winning project. Now it's your turn. And in addition to at least 1.5 trillion people visit the innovative project every year, now we aim to attract the same audience to the crypto world. So they are trying to attract the crypto community towards this project. So hope so you will study that, and if it's perfect, so you can join that. Okay, next, if you scroll down a bit, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं companies are getting into the field, connect digital ID and create a Digi Verse. So यहाँ पे आप इसकी डिटेल भी देख सकते हैं कि आपको मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड है. Why will Digi Verse change the rules? One of foot in the real world and other in the metaverse, accessible without the glass. It's a virtual universe where you can enter the digital eternity, including the game, virtual stores, and virtual real world NFC. Everything you can imagine in the real follow and physical. तो यहाँ पे आप इसकी डिटेल देख सकते हैं. Is it even a dream of that modeling? आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. The value of the blockchain and the crypto market is currently over 1 trillion, but in 10 years the market is expected to be over 20 trillion. So it can happen because as things are moving and the market is pumping up, so it can happen, no doubt about that. Where you will use dollar Digi. This is very important because how you can use that in conditions where you can use this dollar Digi. So here the information is given. Dollar Digi has a unique and very strong user network with the core pad and the structure and world metaverse connections and its own crypto exchange, digital identity, features wide network and NFT market and digital app. So काफ़ी सारी places हैं जहाँ पे इसको आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So bridging to get between the real world and the metaverse. So Dollar Digi will be the only digital asset in our metaverse environment and cryptocurrency exchange and experience with Dollar Digi. And Dollar Digi is the only asset that will be used to commission our exchange and travel with the Dollar Digi and cost effectively organize your holidays and entertainment with the AI and using Dollar Digi tokens, so you can use that also. So these are the places where you can use Dollar Digi. In fact, I'm telling you about how you can use that and where it can be used. So the key in the digital art. So यहाँ पे इसकी आपको डिटेल है. Digital identity, real world privileges की डिटेल आपको given है. DAX and others. So all details are given and you can easily watch that. You can easily study. On the December 24, 2023. Italia Digi Fest. So यहाँ उसकी डिटेल भी आपको given है. मज़ीद आप इसका डेमो को भी चेक कर सकते हैं. While others were dreaming, we finished. It's mean is someone waiting for the dream come true, but they have finished their dream. They have achieved their goals. Now it's your turn to jump in and join this Dollar Digi and get more return from here. So Dollar Digi is a digital asset at the core of our Digi Verse ecosystem, enabling the unique innovation in the metaverse world, and it took its name from the aberrances of digitality and Digiverse. And Digi embraced the mission of the shopping in the digital future. We innovated to explore our white paper where you can find information about the staking, DAX and Launchpad. And you can see incubator, investment, NFT marketplace, and real world and digital art, NFT souls and auctions. So all details they provide in the white paper. When you click on the white paper, you will get more information also. Digi cryptocurrency exchange. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं redefining crypto trading. So this option is also available and you can join and you can trade also. So there are many benefits, like it's very smart, it's faster, safer, it's more innovative. So all benefits under a single platform and you will be surprised to see all the details inside. Okay, digital reality become a real with Digi Verse. So आपको पूरी reality जो है आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगी. So digital identity and travel, so a new economic paradigm. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं companies are entering the crypto space all over the world. जो क्रिप्टो स्पेस में जितने भी हैं कंपनी सारी इन्वॉल्व हो रही हैं, तो आपके पास भी एक परफेक्ट वे है कि आप इस तरीके से इसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. Okay, in the end, you can see the links are given, and if you have any question, you can join the links. You can become the member of the community, and you will be updated with upcoming news also. Like it's Twitter available, Telegram, Instagram, all links are available, and even they have posted their address and also mail. You can mail them if you have any question and query. You can jump in and you can mail them. You will be answered as soon as possible. So let's see about the Twitter, how much community they have, and what kind of information regarding this project they have in the Twitter. So let's check it out. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं they have a very strong community on Twitter. They have 13k followers, and you can see all the details will be given. So I will post all the links in description, and if you have any questions, you can jump in. You can get more information by clicking on links. So all the details, all the information is there. And if there is something missing, so you can join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the details. And you can see the Telegram. You can join their Telegram community, and I'm sure lots of discussion will be going on, and you will be satisfied to see all the details. And if you have any question, you can directly ask the team, and they will approach you and will reply you. So it's a perfect idea to join their community because it's very important. Okay, this was the detail that I provide you. Next we'll move back, and I will tell you the detail who we are. So you can see about the team. Here is Digi Verse, contact us, so each and everything is given. Next you can see the Digi Verse Mission Moon, and all details is given how you can buy that. You can use PancakeSwap, Bitmart, Taiwan, CoinW, and you can see Taiwan, so you can easily buy that. Now you can see one expired DAO starter, and you can see all the details is available. Kingdom starter सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाएगी. White paper, light paper, static, tokenomics and tokenomics sheet. So each and everything is given. So okay guys, if there is something missing, once again I'm requesting you, please don't miss to join the links, and it's very important, and be the part of their community for upcoming news regarding this project. And if you have any question, you can join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail as I can. So I will guide you how you can join this, and please stay tuned with the community, and I'm sure you will be updated with all details coming in future regarding this project. So it's all over. We will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.